Hi RP. So I was retesting this issue and I noticed one behavior. I'm not sure if it is regression, but now, so for example, I have created this payment. I mean, this one I created through API, and the other one, 1807, I created from the UI. And these payments are approved status, and I can apply it to invoice as well with the open payments. But if I use this ID for applying payments from API, it is giving me error that payment with the voided or failed status cannot be applied. So if I use the other one, it is also giving me same error. And these payments are, I mean, they are not applied to any invoice, so they are available. And from UI, if I do yeah, it is getting applied correctly, but using API I'm not able to do that. Let me know if it is a regression issue. Thank you.